Hi there, this is me. So ayan guys, isa na namang napakasimpleng sketch po ang ating gagawin sa ngayon. Ito po ay isang bahay. The Badjao houses refers to the traditional dwellings of the Badjao people, an indigenous ethnic group in the Philippines, particularly in the southern regions such as Sulu, Tawi-Tawi, and Zamboanga. The Badjao is also known as the Sea Gypsies or Sama Dilaut, are known for their seafaring style and a strong connection to the ocean. Badjao houses are typically built on stilts above the water, using bamboo and other natural material. They are designed to withstand the challenges of living in a marine environment, including tidal fluctuations and potential flooding. The houses are often constructed with lightweight materials that allows for easy mobility and adaptation to different locations. So ayan guys, patapos ng ating pag-i-sketch. Ako po'y nagpapasalamat sa inyo sa walang sawang panonood nyo sa aking mga simpleng sketches. So ayan guys, tapos na nga po. Maraming salamat. Bye bye. Thank you.